What is up, YouTube? Welcome back again. It's your buddy Technoboy, and welcome to my home theater. As you know, this is my home theater setup. That's the projection screen. It's a 110-inch screen, and the projector is on. So here you can see that's a massive 15-inch subwoofer. And in today's video, I have connected this subwoofer to my amplifier right there, and which is connected to the Yamaha AV receiver, as you know. And today I'm gonna check some trailers and also gonna do some Dolby sound test, and we're gonna check the bass and vibration of this monster. As you know, this room is only 120 square feet of room, and this 15-inch subwoofer is huge for this room. Huge. So let's see how bad it can shake this room here. So let's start the show.
Girls with their nails done now.
For thousands of years, we have been at war. But before, we were enemies. Allow me. I appreciate you having my back. It's time to show them we are more than meets the eye.
A cave with teeth. Nothing scary about that.
My hand! How you choose to use this power is up to you.
That's it.
What happened to my best friend?
सरकटे के बारे में हम क्या जानते हैं?
सर कटे का सर कटा हुआ है। वाह, इसको अभी का अभी आईएएस घोषित कर दो। थैंक यू रुद्दा भैया। पता कितना बड़ा है वो? जब बच्चन के ऊपर आमिर खान लगा लो तो भी कमर तक ही आएंगे उसके। उसने हमारी चंदनी के संबंध है। अब लग रहे हैं असली राजकुमार।
Wilson! Thanks for coming in. Well, thank you for the... We'll show the world a better way forward. You may be Captain America, but you're not Steve Rogers. I'm not. Say when. When?